We've got some new tools that we can use to find derivatives. We've got the product rule and the quotient rule. These things let us find the derivative for problems that would have been too complicated or too tedious to solve by the power rule. For example, on this first one, find y prime when y equals x squared minus x plus 1 squared. To use the power rule, I would have to distribute that entire thing, and I just don't want to do it. What I can do instead now that I know the product rule is I can rewrite this as x squared minus x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. And then I can say this is my first and this is my second. And now I can do a product rule. So y prime is equal to the first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. And now we're done with the calculus, and we can just simplify this a little bit. This term is the exact same as this term, and so I can say I have two of those. So y prime is equal to 2 times 2x minus 1. Just putting this in the order you'd probably see it on the answer key. And we're done. Nice, convenient use of the product rule. Let's look at another one. Find dy dx, where y is equal to 5x plus 2 over x squared minus 1. I'm going to use the quotient rule now because I've got high over low. And so my derivative is equal to low d high minus high d low. Oh, kind of ran out of room. That says 2x. All over low squared. Now if we were on an open response AP question, so if you were on the actual AP test, I would stop right here. You're done with the calculus, so you have answered the question. It doesn't matter if it's not pretty. But if you're trying to compare your answer to either the homework key or to some multiple choices on a test or a quiz, this is probably not what the answer is going to look like, so we'll have to do some work to clean it up a little bit. So I can start distributing things on the numerator. I can probably combine some terms. So if I distribute the 5, I've got 5x squared minus 5. And then over here, distributing this 2x to these two terms, I'll have minus 10x squared and then minus 4x. All of that is still over x squared minus 1 squared. This is almost always how you'll see the denominator. They will rarely, FOIL that out or do anything extra there. Alright, so my 5x squared can combine with my minus 10x, so I can say that y prime is equal to negative 5x squared minus 4x minus 5 over x squared minus 1 squared. And that's probably a good place to stop there.